Hello technology pioneers, enthusiasts and explorers.
Welcome back
to our Tech universe. Today our topic is ChatGPT and large language models for business. If you've been rocking ChatGPT as your personal assistant on a daily basis, you already surfing the future, give you high five, everything works pretty well. However, did you know how your business or products could benefit from those game-changing large language models or LLMs? Stick with me till the end of this video and I'll reveal four strategies. Four strategies only exist right now for these advanced technologies. And for these strategies, three essential, crystal clear questions: how to nab the proper one, the perfect one suitable for your business product. The simplest one is called zero shot, cheapest one, and you use a standard prompt with minimal modifications. As a simplest example, you have a text you need to enrich with emojis, so you ask large language models, ChatGPT or some other, enrich text with emojis, and as a result you have some text with emojis. Job done. So if such type of cases doesn't work for you, your turn to the next few shot model, which involves research and multiple prompts. So, but it's still simple and easy accessible. First zero shot and second few shot, they could be implemented without any internal thought structure. Just simply call external services, either it's OpenAI or Midjourney or some others, but they are still available as a service for your products. So the third strategy called embedding. This involves fetching data from database and exploring it with large language models. So you have some data source, knowledge base, database, whatever you have, and you have large language models, which acts as a companion, which acts as a some kind of expert, which navigates this data and helps to get some valuable outputs out of this data. This is called embeddings. And the first one, number 4, is fine-tuning. Here is fine-tuning is training existing base model with a special data set on top. So it's most difficult, it's required some background knowledge, engineering effort and computational resources to make such model happen. Let's first clear somewhere around these large language models or LLMs. Some folks are thinking about crafting these foundation models from the scratch.
We're going to tell you it's totally hopeless to compete with us on training foundation models. You shouldn't try, and it's your job to try anyway.
But let me put it this way. So it's kind of choosing between building own nuclear reactor and simply plugging it into electrical grid. So you might customize your power supply a little bit, but the base is already there.
Try anyway.
Now, 3 crucial questions how to cherry pick the perfect IT strategy for your product or use case. The first question sounds: does your product need to interact with classified or fresh of the oven data? If yes, if your product required interact with fresh data or some classified data, your choice is embedding. No? Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2. So, does your system produce standardized artifacts, so it does require some level of research? If it's standardized, zero shot is your hero, as we mentioned before with a zero shot strategy. If it's research, let's roll on to question number 3. And finally, question number 3. If your task related to some specialized domain, like banking, insurance, medical, or some other, or it requires some special style or pattern to recognize, then, if answer yes, you need to go with fine-tuning of the model to supply with data, to supply with resources for training, and get some results on top of existing model. If the answer no, Your choice is very simple. It's FewShot, which you can use any open source existing model or use as a service from public API providers as OpenAI, Midjourney, and other companies. Drop your comment below on which strategies sparked your interest, and we will deep dive into next video. Thumbs up, see you soon.